Now, the other tool I wanted to mention to you was would support what Jan was teaching us about being creative and coming up with other name variations for your searching. And I believe, yeah, this is found under the Tools menu, and you go down and you click on the Soundex calculator. Now, first of all, this is going to tell you what the Soundex code is for that surname, which we don't use as much today as we used to, but it's still around in various indexes. If I were to type in my name, it shows me that my code is R252. Well, if I'm looking for other names that sound alike or other ideas, trying to get other ideas for how the name could sound or be spelled, if you come here to the Soundex calculator, then click on this button right here that says Search the Name List. This is going to create a list of names in your Legacy family file that share the same Soundex code. So I'm going to click on that. Let's just see what happens. This is not, I haven't practiced or anything. So I've got 362 individuals hidden here that share the same Soundex code. And look at some of these others. And even let's go down to the bottom. So there's Brown with an E. So other names that use the same rules to come up with that Soundex code. So I'm curious now. I'm going to type in my surname and see if it finds any others. Oh, look at this. Wow, what a great example. So these, Rasmus Datters here at the top, these 6 names, this is a good reminder to me that if I'm searching for the name of Rasmussen, I might also do a search for those names up there. Let me just go down, see if there's any others. Oh, there are. So it's suggesting some different vowels, a double S, and then some other names that share the code. Okay, everyone, that is our after the webinar party. Peggy's asking, does that Soundex code search? Does it only search the names in your Legacy file? Or will it give other spellings even if no one in the file has that spelling? Yeah, Peggy, that'd be neat to do. Currently, here we are. Currently, this is only searching those names in your family file. There is another website, which you've now reminded me of. It's at labs.familysearch.org. And there's a standard finder section where if I click on that and I click on name, let's do a search for Rasmussen. I can't remember what's going to show up here. Okay, doing it down there, that didn't do what I wanted, so let's do it up here. Let's click on search. Oh, look at this. Okay. Look at these variants. Now, I don't know what all rules they're using to come up with these other suggestions, but what I'm seeing right here, I've been called probably half of these throughout my life. Well, Peggy, thanks for bringing up that question. Yeah, this is another wow. So when you're doing your searching, yeah, being creative, that's a tough thing, as Jan was explaining to us. And so here's another tool that we can use to help have the computer do our thinking for us. Okay, well, happy Webinar Wednesday, everybody. That's a wrap.